Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. I never thought I could feel so free.
If you're tired of the same old superhero films, how about a parody comedy that was the official selection of the Cannes Film Festival last year, entitled Smoking Causes Coughing, in theaters since March 31st. This is a French film that involves the Tobacco Force, 5 plasticine-clad heroes who themselves look like the Power Rangers, fighting evildoers who look like Japanese monsters from the 1950s. And they have an off-putting robot companion and use their powers of cancer-causing agents found in cigarettes. And that's not all. They also tell stories that become a short film within the film, all having nothing to do with the heroes themselves. This existential farce, what would you expect anything else out of France, skewers the superhero world so effectively that you might gasp between laughs. The stories in the film are weirdly hilarious themselves, including one told by a talking fish and another involving a thinking helmet that causes the wearer to go on a murder spree after first meditating on the meaning of existence. Add in a leader who looks like a variation on Alf, but is perpetually horny and has a perfectly distant French je ne sais quoi, and the film is never what it seems. This movie will equal the playing field on any superhero film-loving mate. Hey honey, you want to go to a cool French superhero movie? Of course, they're likely to reply. It's called Smoking Causes Coughing, 4 out of 5, in theaters now, including Chicago's Music Box Theater through April 6, 2023.